Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim daily reward in the icon journey of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner that are still confused how to play this game, how you can complete or challenge the event and complete the quest, and also you can get ton of rewards from it. So let's get started by tap the play button, tap live events, and tap this one, the icon journey of Zinedine Zidane. So this is new event, new live event of the icon journey. So you play in the journey of Zinedine Zidane that debuted in Ligue 1 in 1989, where he showed a good player, 2 goals in the first national match, also signal his rising on the international stage. Make sure you have this guy, Zinedine Zidane. And I want to show you how you can claim the daily reward. Make sure you already done this first 3 match and the second one. And after you finish this, you can claim these daily rewards. You can get Icon Journey Token 5 and you can save it to unlock next chapter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.